Hey everybody, old Drew here. Welcome back. This is going to be our second video in processing our planetary images. We're going to be sharpening on this one. We're going to be using Registax6. It's an older program, but I like to use it. There's other ones out there, but haven't had a chance to dabble in them yet. Now let's open up our stacked image that we stacked in our last video. We'll drag and drop it over there. And the first thing I like to do are my RGB weights. Important thing to remember on RGB weight balance is anything over this 1.00, you're losing data because you're washing it out with oversaturation. So keep it either at 100 or below. Actually, this whole program is nothing but personal preference. Everybody processes their own way. Here's the sliders to sharpen your images. There's 6 different ones. And if you think of them like paintbrushes, this top one is going to be your smaller one. It brings out the small details. Of course, the bottom one is going to be your largest one. It's going to be your most coarse sharpener. So it works its way down on the sharpening. And here's these boxes here. You can raise and lower your noise by just clicking up or down on the arrows. And if you need more sharpening, sharpen it more right here with these up and down arrows. So you get to a place to where you know what you're kind of doing, what these sliders will do. If you've been keeping an eye on the image there, it's been getting a little sharper every time you do something. Yeah, see, sharpen the taste. It's a personal preference. As you can see, we're making it sharper, but we're also producing a lot more noise as well. So we're going to do something about that noise. So I just fool around with these things until I like what I see, and you pretty much do the same thing. It's all pretty easy. You can't mess it up because you can always start over. Do a little denoising. Well, after I do this RGB alignment tool, I have no idea what this does. So there, I hit the estimate. Watch, there'll be 0000 on that box, and I don't think that image changed at all. But it might have, I don't know. But from what I can see, it doesn't do crap. But you never know. Right here's my favorite way to denoise with this program. Boom. It's a pretty powerful denoiser. And that D-ring, that's going to be for like your outside edges. If you got like rings or something around your outside edges, where it's brighter, you got a dark ring around, those two right there on the bottom there on the layered denoising will take care of it for you. So you just kind of fool around with this as well, denoise until you get it to where you like it as well, just like the sharpening. You can't mess up. If you do, you can go back and redo it. Start over. Now, after you're done and you're happy with what you got to push that do all button right beside the save image, so it'll do everything that you've done to it. And you just push save image and save it to where you'd like to save it to, and boom, there it is. We're done with that. Registax6. We have used our sharpening program. Now let's see how much is better looks than our stacked image. We'll do it side by side. There we go. Wow, chicka wow wow. Look at that. Now, our next video is going to be with Jupos. And we're going to be putting 4 or 5 of these stacked and sharpened images all together, derotated, and it'll give us even more features, more detail. I look forward to you on the next one. Win Jupos. Peace.